Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, we have come with our new video today. The new content of our video today will be about how to change the video background in InShot. So without delay, let's start our video. First of all, you need to open the InShot app. Open it and you will find a section called your video. Okay? You need to click on your video section. After doing that, you will find an option called new. You need to click on this new. After doing that, select the photo you want and mark it with the tick. After ticking, you will see an option called PIP on this side. You need to click on this PIP. Then you should select the photo here that you want. After that, move a little towards this side. Scroll here and you will find an option called cutout. So you have to click on this cutout. After clicking, you have to click on cutout here again. Then after doing it, you will see that the background that was there has been removed. So after doing this, you will simply click on the right mark. After doing this, you will see the video here. See, the background has changed. So we have taken a photo normally here. Whatever you feel like, if you place a video here and put your photo on top of it, you can change the background in the same simple process. So friends, if you liked our video, please give a like, subscribe and share the channel.